here it is, August 16, 2022. I'm down at the West Paseo in the Old Town Tavern Loft. We are now into the 43rd week of major construction. Time is 5:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Not a whole lot has changed down here, but across the way over here, you can see they set up the forms for what will be the back section of the terrace back over there. So they'll probably be pouring that within the next day or two, I would think. But that'll be the back little wall or planter area for the schoolyard terrace back over there by the little museum. So let me pan around here slowly. Like I say, this hasn't really changed that much since I was down here last Thursday or even Friday when I shot a little bit of monsoon footage. So this is pretty much still like it was when I shot last. They are doing some concrete form work back up here. So I'm going to cut this short here. I'm not going to shoot too much down here today. I'll go over by the Aline building, shoot a little bit there, and then I'll move on down to the east end of the project. I've been doing a little bit of scouting, and I don't see a whole lot of activity down here right now, but this is what we got going on down here in the West Paseo. Let me move on down by the Aline building. Right, here I am down by the Aline building. I think they poured a little more concrete down here, it looks like to me, by these steps. I think this has been poured recently. They're working on the forms out here for more concrete that'll be poured down through here. Come back over here. Sun's starting to come up back over there. We're right at the astronomical sunrise now, I believe. 5:51 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You see down here, they're working on forms. So in general, that's what's happening down here this morning. They're just getting stuff, working on forms, cutting concrete that they poured in the past. So they've got a little more concrete poured back over there, I believe, near that ramp. So this is what we got going on down here this morning, just some form work. And I do see, also another thing I've just noticed over here. In front of the bathroom, it looks like they built the amenities wall. Behind that should be like a water fountain, sinks, hand blowers, whatever, but that's getting fixed up for the bathroom there. The amenities wall is set up, so that's cool. So we do have some things happening down here. I'm going to cut this short, and then I'm going to move down to the east end of the project, and we'll see what's happening down on the east end. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down at City Hall, Civic Lawn area, looking across to the West Bowl. Time is 6:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Got some activity going down across here. Mainly I see people back over here working on the bathroom again, doing some finish up or continuing to work on that. Big backhoe down here doing some digging. Also, got some activity down in the East Bowl social hub area there. As a matter of fact, it looks like they've built another canopy right there. That's probably the canopy that's part of the what's called the grove, or the area up on top of the little hill there that looks down into the East Bowl stage area. There'll be another canopy there, and there'll be like picnic tables and places where you can sit and hang out in the area. So getting that done, another canopy going up. So we're making progress here. Don't see that much going on back over here. There is some stuff happening, but it's kind of minor looking stuff, I think. No huge stuff going on. So let me switch over to my telephoto lens here for a second, just to give a better view of the area. Right here I am on my 77mm telephoto lens, shooting back over towards the West Bowl there. Gives a little bit clearer view of what's happening back over there. Let me pan on back around over here to the social hub area. Just shoot a little bit here. Then I'll move down to the East Bowl and call it a day down there. Right here we can see we're back over looking at the bathroom and the canopies there by the what'll be the Fog and Water Plaza, I think is the proper name for that. And doing some digging there. And some activity back over here with another canopy being set up there by what'll also be the general social hub area. Children's playground, place they call the Grove, where they'll have trees planted to give shade. So this is what we got going on up here. I'm going to now cut this short and then move on down to the East Bowl. We can see what's happening down there. Alrighty. Right, here I am over by the East Bowl area, shooting over where they're constructing this new canopy here. See, they're getting that fixed up. So like I said, this will be what's called the Grove, or children's playground in general, will be up here on this little rise. So we get that going on. Let me pan around here. Still on my telephoto lens here. Continuing to do some work down here on the area that'll be the platform area for the East Bowl stage right here. Continuing to work on that. Getting that laid out. So that's what we got going on down here. We pan back up to the canopy construction here. Finish off with that over there. So another canopy getting built. Right there. Well, I think I'm going to finish off with this. I'm going to take one more place to shoot back over here by the library. I hadn't shot over there in a long time. I want to see what they got going on over there, and then I'll call it a day after that. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the end of the East Bowl. I just was checking out some stuff down here, and I noticed something that's of interest. Right here ahead, you can see this section of wall that they set up, which will be, I believe, signage or something will be placed here. They started to put some rough-hewn stone on the face of this wall. I believe this same treatment will happen over in the West Paseo on those brick walls. Concrete brick walls over there will also have this same rough-hewn stone on them. That was what was presented in the presentation back earlier on when they last summer 21. Yeah, the 21. They indicate there would be rough-hewn stone. So this just seems to verify that fact, that we will see some rough-hewn stone facing off this concrete, so it's just not bare cinder blocks. So that's nice to see. You can see the back of the stage here. Can't really tell much. The rebar's up, but I'm going to move on around here a little bit and shoot over by the library, and then that'll finish up the day. But this is nice to see this stone going up on the cinder blocks. Alrighty. Right, here I am at the East Bowl over around by the library. Time is 6:21 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can see here where they're working on the canopy ahead of us there. I don't see a whole lot different on this side of the East Bowl area from when I was down here in the past. They hadn't even poured any more sidewalk. Sidewalk was right here behind these palm trees before, and it's still where it's at right now. They're doing some dirt work out there, and working on this canopy, so things are moving along here. So I think I'm going to finish up here for the day, call it good. Wasn't exactly a spectacular day, but a lot of incremental stuff. Little hints of stuff here and there. Potentially the stones on the wall down there are interesting. So this is what we got here. I'm going to call it a day and wrap it up. All right.